Trading isn't just about charts and indicators. It's a battle fought within your own mind. Welcome to a deep dive into trading psychology, where we'll uncover the mental strategies that can turn you from a mere trader to a master of the market. Every trader has a unique personality. Are you a risk taker or a risk averse? Do you prefer short-term gains or long-term investments? Understanding your personality can help you identify your trading style and avoid pitfalls. For instance, if you're risk-averse, you might be better suited for a more conservative trading strategy. Perhaps you're a natural-born investor, drawn to long-term opportunities. Or maybe you thrive on the excitement of short-term trading. Whatever your personality type, recognizing it is the first step toward building a successful trading career. Psychological biases can sabotage even the best trading strategies. Let's explore a few of the most common ones. Confirmation bias, for example, leads us to seek out information that confirms our existing beliefs, while loss aversion makes us more sensitive to losses than gains. Anchoring bias, on the other hand, can cause us to place undue weight on the first piece of information we receive. To overcome these biases, try to challenge your assumptions, consider all possible outcomes, and avoid making decisions based solely on past events. A well-crafted trading plan is your roadmap to success. Learn how to create a plan that outlines your goals, risk management strategies, and entry/exit criteria. The key is to stick to your plan, even when emotions are running high. A trading plan can help you stay disciplined and avoid impulsive decisions. It's like a GPS for your trading journey, guiding you through the ups and downs of the market. Emotions can be a trader's greatest enemy. Learn effective techniques to manage stress, anxiety, and fear. Remember, staying calm and focused is essential for making rational decisions. Try incorporating mindfulness techniques, such as meditation or deep breathing, into your daily routine. These practices can help you stay grounded and centered, even during the most volatile market conditions. Self-reflection is crucial for growth. Regularly review your trades, identify areas for improvement, and stay updated on market trends and new trading strategies. Keep a trading journal to track your performance and learn from your mistakes. Additionally, consider seeking mentorship or joining a trading community to connect with other traders and gain valuable insights. Remember, trading is a lifelong learning process, and there's always something new to discover. Believe it or not, your physical health plays a significant role in your trading performance. Ensure you get enough sleep to stay alert and focused. Also, pay attention to your nutrition. A healthy diet can improve your cognitive function and reduce stress. When you're well-rested and nourished, you're better equipped to handle the mental challenges of trading. Trading is a journey filled with ups and downs. Building resilience and grit is essential for long-term success. Develop a growth mindset. Embrace challenges as opportunities for learning, and never give up on your goals. Remember, setbacks are a natural part of the trading process. It's how you respond to these challenges that determines your ultimate success. Mastering trading psychology is a journey, not a destination. By understanding your mind, overcoming biases, and developing a disciplined approach, you can unlock your full potential as a trader. Remember, it's not just about making money. It's about becoming a better version of yourself. So, embark on this journey of self-discovery and let your trading career soar. Ready to take your trading to the next level? Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth content on trading psychology and strategies. And don't forget to share this video with fellow traders.